Ma'am, this
So
book.
please, yeah, 180 pages book, notebook. So write your name, your subject, your class, fast. Finish this faster. Finish this faster with your name. This index first page. Your name, your section, your grade, and your subject. After finishing this, come on the first page, which is the index page. And every day we will fill this index also. After finishing this page, cover page, come on the index page fast. Meantime, I'm taking your attendance. Don't think ma'am is not taking the attendance. Ma'am will take attendance regularly on the daily basis. This is 4B, right? So I've taken your attendance. Don't get absent. I have an extension. I can see everyone's name. I can see who all are coming in my classes regularly. So everything I will note. And I can see who all are submitting their work on time or not. Okay? Am I clear? Stop eating moem in the class. Yes. Aru, everyone sit with their camera on and sit at their places. Harsh Keshwani is not at his place. Moksh Patel, your camera is off. Dheer, okay, you said any network issue maybe. Okay, I want everyone to sit with the camera on, please. Now, children, open the index page. In index also, there are some lines given, name, subject, class, division. Fill that also. Fill that also, the name, class, section. And then I will tell you how to fill this part. Okay? So, after filling the name index, come on this. You have the serial number, then maybe title or the subject, कुछ भी होगा, that is the subject. Subject है तो उसको काट के आप title लिख दो, because title
No, it
only
is
we will
written
write.
date. It is written
Date,
date.
I will tell you, date आगे पीछे होता हो सकता है column. Okay? So आपको ये 3 columns ही काम में आएंगे. serial number, title and date. बाकी remarks and all this page number आपको काम नहीं आएंगे. We are not going to do anything in this. So only the SR number
And
and
we have to write
title.
with pen.
Yeah.
Then
Index.
what we have to write in this serial number?
आ रही हूँ ना मैं. Next is my that only. Okay. Serial number में daily topics की numbers headings. Like first topic is today's hour is, so you will write number 1. And the title is recap of number system. Children, when you don't understand my cursive, you tell me that time only. Then I will write it in the print letters. Okay? Because I have a fast handwriting in the cursive only, and you also try to learn the cursive. If you don't know the cursive, if you are writing in print handwriting, if you don't understand my cursive handwriting, please tell me, ma'am, please clear this word. Okay? Clear till here? So recap of number system. I will also try to write in the print. Recap of number system. Children, try to finish this in one line only, because you have big line in your title column. I don't have big space. I have made like this only. So if you have the big space in your title column, try to finish it in the one column only. Otherwise, आप 3-4 लाइनें ही use करोगे एक title लिखने में. So your index get filled very fast.
And ma'am, some system is gone into page. It is okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Because page anyways we are not using it. तो page पे अगर जा रहा है तो no problem. Then we will use the date, right? Today's date, which is 2.04.21. Yes, Arush Miani, we have to write with pen.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, after this, what we have to do?
After index, come open the new page of your notebook. Open new page of your notebook. I'm going to erase this index. Everyone done? Please show me thumbs up. Done, everyone?
No, ma'am.
Complete this fast. And I will request everyone to please sit with their camera on. Pragyan, Krish, please sit with your camera on. Krish, Surya.
Ma'am, may I drink water?
Krish, you are writing something or you're just sitting and looking at my face? Krish, please turn on your camera and start doing. Open new page, everyone. And on new page, you have right side and left side, right? And the red margin here. I notice few of the children are writing date in this pen की तरह कुछ बना हुआ है उसमें date लिखते हैं. Don't write in that. It creates your notebook untidy. अब date उस पे मत लिखो. You have your left corner में एक column बना हुआ है. Is there, Jignesh? Write date in that column. Always write date in this column. And write C.W in your right side. And this is the red line. Below the red line, write today's topic, which is recap, which we have written in the index. Recap of number system.
Ma'am, at the first line.
Below the red line, first line. Use first line below the red line. Okay, now I will ask few questions verbally from you all. Yes,
what you have written after the number?
Number system, SYSTEM. Wait a minute. I'll take attendance again. Few of the students join.
Ma'am, can I write system in the second line?
Yes, yes. Okay, now I'll start. I will ask few questions verbally first from few of the. Stop talking, Diva, on phone, please. Hand it over to your parents. Arush Miani. Arush.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Arush Miani. Please request your parents to not talk in your room. Because when I can take interaction with you, when I will have an interaction, you will not able to converse with me properly. Yes, Arush, now speak. Arush, which is the smallest one-digit number?
0.
Smallest numbers, I am talking about the natural numbers. 0 come in the whole numbers. When we talk about natural numbers, Riddhi,
9.
no, Riddhi, you are writing wrong. That 9 is the greatest one-digit number. Because, Arush, mute yourself. Yes, 1 is the smallest. See, here I will write, don't write this, I will write just for your explanation. Smallest and the greatest number we will write. So, if I talk about the smallest one-digit number, it is 1. I'm talking about the natural numbers. Natural numbers start from 1. Whole numbers start from 0. So if I talk about the smallest one-digit number, it is 1. Now, I will talk about the greatest one-digit number. Jignesh? No, you don't have to write. Just listen and understand. Jignesh, which is the greatest one-digit number?
9.
9. Pragyan?
We have to write smallest and greatest.
No. This instruction for everyone. Don't write, listen and understand. Sit, put your pen, pencil down, fold your hands properly, sit straight, back straight and listen it and understand what the teacher is discussing. Pragyan, smallest two-digit number. Pragyan, smallest two-digit number.
Ma'am, 10. 10.
10. Dheer, is he right? Dheer is Pragyan is right? Dheer, I'm asking from you. Yeah, okay, your microphone is not working. Thank you. Next is Shivani. Greatest two-digit number.
Ma'am, 20.
Greatest two-digit number. Shivani. Greatest two-digit number is 99.
99.
I will explain you why also. Okay.
Ma'am, I
Later
thought
on.
the smallest.
Smallest two-digit number is also not 20. It is 10. Krishiv. Smallest three-digit number. Don't write Dhwani answer in the chat box, please. Krishiv, smallest three-digit number.
Ma'am, 100.
100. Hare. Greatest three-digit number.
999.
999. Mohammad Moin. Smallest four-digit number.
Ma'am, 1000.
1000. Pritika. Greatest four-digit number.
9,999.
9,999. Children, have you noticed one thing here? That when we talk about the smallest number has a relation with 1 or is followed by the number of zeros.
Yes, ma'am.
Always, please mute yourself. Jignesh, mute yourself. Yes. Now listen when I'll ask, give the answer. We are noticing here one thing, the smallest number is having a relation with 1 and the zeros, followed by the number of zeros. If we talk about 4 digits, तो first तो 1 आएगा ही आएगा, बाकी remaining 3 digits जो है वो 0 होंगी. Am I clear? So smallest number is having a relation with 1 and followed by the number of zeros. Greatest number is always having a relation with the 9. 9 and followed by the number of 9s. If I talk about 2 digit greatest, so 2 9. 3 digit greatest, 3 9. 4 digit greatest, 4 9. 5 digit greatest, 5 9. So on it will go. Clear? Now, children, you know after numbers and before numbers? You have heard about this? Okay. Diva will tell me. Diva, what is the after number of 76?
77.
Dhwani, is she correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Vedi, what is the before number of 90?
89.
89. So children, what have you done in this when you are telling about the after number or before number? क्या कोई magic हुआ इसके अंदर? One has said that when I was asking 75, for example, 75 का after number 76 होता है. क्या magic हुआ इसके अंदर? जो 76 आ गया. क्या add किया? Yes.
Plus
We have added. Yes, we have added 1 in this. That's why the after number has come. आफ्टर नंबर का एक ऑफ सिनोनिम पता है आपको क्या होता है? उसको एक और नाम से बुलाया जाता है, उसका एक और नाम है। आपके भी घर पे कई नाम होते हैं ना, कोई आपको छुंटू मुंटू कहता है, राइट? तो ऐसे ही आफ्टर नंबर का भी एक और नाम है। प्लीज रेज योर वर्चुअल हैंड दोज हु नो. No, don't write just for the explanation. I'm doing these. Don't write this. Yes, Shivangi. Shivangi, please tell me after number का एक और नाम क्या है?
Addition.
No, addition तो addition है. After number का एक और नाम होता है. Who knows this? May I know Earth की जगह पे? Yeah, who is sitting with Earth?
Asta.
Both are in same class.
Yes, ma'am.
From tomorrow onwards, attend from the different devices, please. I request. Otherwise, your attendance will not come.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You have different device at your home.
Yes.
Please attend it, sit in separate room. Sit and attend from the separate device. आस्था की sister का नाम क्या है? What you have told your name is?
Asta.
Astha. Okay. From tomorrow onwards, because if your attendance is not coming, yes, only our attendance is coming. If you do sit with same device, so this problem will come. So better you sit in the different device and sit in different room. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, children, I was telling and asking. Yes.
Successor, I know.
Yes. Vedi has told me, he has given me the synonym of after number. After number has a synonym. एक और नाम है उसका, that is called successor. After number को हम successor भी कहते हैं. And what we call before number. Before number is also having one more synonym. उसका भी एक नाम है. जिग्नेश को पता है? जिग्नेश, you know? No, Vedi, you will not speak now. I have to give chance to other children also. Jignesh, you know what is the other name of before numbers? Before का दूसरा नाम क्या है? In mathematic terms. Who knows? Raise your watch. Krishav, you know? You have raised your hand. If you know the answer, please give. Wait, Jignesh. Wait. Yes, please, Jignesh, give.
Predecessor.
Predecessor. Yes. So there are two names. For after number we call successor and before number we call predecessor. Clear? And in predecessor, what we do? If I say it's, as I told Vedi, it's 90 and she told me the 89 will be the before number. What she has done?
Minus.
She has minus what?
One.
1 to get the predecessor of the number. Am I clear till here? Okay. Now start writing in your notebooks. Question number 1. Recap of number system is done. This is heading is done by everyone. Okay. Next question is number 1. Write in.
Ma'am, we have to leave one line.
Yes, leave one line and come down. Write the following numbers in words. Words you all know, spellings में लिखना है. Keshav, you are not doing anything. I want to see your notebook. Once I complete this, I want to see. Because yes, it seems that you are just sitting in my class. Hold your notebook and show it to me what you have done till now. Hold your notebook up. Hold your notebook up, my dear. I don't have much time to spend 10 minutes on each child. Krishav, I am talking to you. Hold your notebook on your screen and show it to me what you have done till now. See, the child is not listening. Krishav. You wait, I will talk to your parents after the class. write the following numbers in words. First is write number A. Why we are not writing 1, 2, 3 here in the numbers? Because मैं 1, 2, 3 लिखूंगी तो you will get confused. So I am giving the headings as A, B, C. 3, 5, 4. First, I will explain you how to write these. Yes, with pen, with pen, everything with pen now. Whenever you want to. Jignesh,
A
mute
question.
yourself.
This A question we have to write.
Yes. Whenever you have to write these numbers into the words, first write their places, ones, tens, and 100. And if after writing the places, it will be easy for you to write it into the words. Moin, please read this. How you will write it into the words. Moin Kuledi.
Yes.
Yes, read this number and tell me how I will write it into the words. 3 THREE 3
54.
54 300 yeah 300 HUNDRED 100 FIFTY 50 FOUR. Next is
Ma'am, can we write cursive in a notebook?
yes, if you know cursive, I will really appreciate you. Please write in cursive. Number B 2064. Same here. Before writing into the words, put their places, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now it will be easy to write it into the words. Once you complete, you all have to do it by your own. Once you complete this, write it answer in the chat box.
264.
2064. And I have written the places also, ones, tens, 100, 1000.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Shivani.
I did the mistake in the spelling of 50. So
Okay.
I'll cancel it and rewrite it. So it's okay now.
What you are saying?
I have done mistake in 50 spelling. So I'm cutting it and rewriting it.
No problem.
Excuse me. What letter we have to write?
For
She has written in
the
chat box.
for
Then
What
what
you are
we have to
asking?
write? I am asking that what we have to write upside up the letter of 2.
1000. Which place value will come on the 2? TH.
TH.
Ones for O, T for tens, H for 100, TH for 1000. Now, please, if you have done, write the answer in the chat box.
Ma'am, I have written.
Let me check. I will not tell the correct answer right now. Children, whenever you write number names, please don't write please don't write N in between. Yes, 2000 THOUSAND 1000 SIXTY 64, because no number is there on 100 place, so we will skip 100. We will not write any number, any word for 100, and we directly write 64. Clear how to write into the words? This child is doing what? Hare, you not writing? I want neat handwriting and clear work. After every one sum, you leave one line. Follow this rule always. After one sum, if you have done the first one, leave one line, then do the second one. Then now leave one line and write the second question. Very good. Very good, Jignesh. Now write the second question. Haji.
Ma'am, we have to send this work to you.
Yes. When I will post it in the classroom that attach your classwork, then you have to attach your classwork. Write the following number. Write the following. Now next question is write the following number names in figures. Write the following number names in figures. Figures. And put a full stop and this. Children, don't write this much space. नहीं छोड़ना आप जब spelling लिखते हो. Just I am writing, आपको समझ में आए. मैं कर्सिव में लिखूंगी, आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा. आप अपनी हैंडराइटिंग जितनी अच्छी सुंदर सुंदर लिखते हो उतनी सुंदर सुंदर लिखना. Am I clear? Yes. So इसमें भी A sum है 600 HUNDRED 624 TWENTY 20 FOUR 624. So when number name given है और आपको नंबर में लिखना है, सबसे पहले आपका ध्यान जाना चाहिए कि हाईएस्ट प्लेस वैल्यू कितनी है इसके अंदर 600. So which is the highest place value here? 100. So इसमें भी आप ones, tens, 100 पहले से लिख लोगे क्योंकि आपके हाईएस्ट प्लेस वैल्यू जो है, हाईएस्ट प्लेस जो है वो 100 है. So 100 के नीचे क्या आएगा? 624. So 24. जैसे ही आप ये प्लेसेस उनकी जगह बना दोगे, जब आपके क्लास में एंटर होते हो, आपकी फिक्स प्लेस बनी हुई होती है, तो आपको कोई डिफिकल्टी होती है बैठने में? नहीं होती ना. आपको पता है मुझे मेरी जगह पे जाके ही बैठना है. ऐसे ही नंबर्स की भी अगर आपको ये गिवन है कि इसकी ये प्लेस है, सो आप उसकी प्लेस के अकॉर्डिंग ही उसको डिसाइड कर दोगे. राइट. सो सबसे पहले आपको ये बताया कि 6 की प्लेस जो है वो 100 पे है. 24 will come like this, 2 tens and 4 ones. Then it will be easy to write it into the numbers. Figures and numbers means the same thing. Now comes the next one. इसी में ही एक और सम की हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. B number, write 4000 THOUSAND 4035 THIRTY 30 FIVE 4035. So 4035 मीन्स आपको 1000 इसमें लास्ट प्लेस है, यहाँ पर आपको 1000 तक उसकी प्लेसेस बना देनी है. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000 तक. और 1000 के नीचे which number will come? Which number will come, children? Under 1000.
4.
Why only Jignesh is active? Why? Where are the other children sleeping?
4.
4.
4. 4 will come on 100. What will come on 100?
35.
30.
30?
No.
No.
Ma'am, there is
Asta, you tell me.
Ma'am, 0.
Excellent. उसका 100 पे कोई है ही नहीं, तो we will write 0.
yes. And 45. 45.
35. Jignesh,
Ma'am,
carefully read the number.
Yes, but ma'am, something was ma'am that 18 more joined and that was coming in my screen. I can't see the part I can't see. That's why.
अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा. Okay. Now see.
Yes, ma'am. Now okay.
Okay. So it is 35. Clear? Once you decide the places, it will be easy to write. Whether it is number name हो तो भी easy होगा, whether number name से numbers में हो तो भी easy होगा, अगर एक बार आपने उनकी places decide कर दी. Yes, yes, same page, Deep. First and second on the same page. We are continuing our today's work. तो page same रहेगा.
Ma'am, I have write
I
the
was not
question
having question, so I did it on the next page.
What, Pritika?
Ma'am, I have written question 1, then that 2, and I leave one line and write the second question. It's okay?
It's okay. Now, after this second question, if you have the space on the same page, leave one line and write the question number 3. Question number 3 is about the comparison. Comparison के अंदर आपने 3 signs देखे हैं? मोहिम, अब मैं क्लास से बाहर निकाल दूंगी if this is the last warning to you. Mohammad Moin.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
last warning which I had observed, you were doing something, you were eating. So this is the last warning to you. What you have put it in your mouth then?
Ma'am, I said the 3 signs.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's a greater than, smaller than, and is equal to.
Greater than, lesser than, and equal to sign. Yes, yes, good work. Those were showing me. Harsh, Keshwani, good. Continue, please, fast. This sign, and this sign. Okay. This sign. 3 signs. You all are familiar about these 3 signs? Now, next child will tell me. Moksh, tell me, what does this sign means? First जो sign मैंने बनाया है, उसका मतलब क्या है?
What, ma'am?
What does this sign means? इस sign का मतलब क्या है? मेरा sign दिख रहा है, board clearly दिख रहा है आपको, सबको, everyone. Yes. So tell me, what does this sign means? Okay, Mohammed. Okay, Mohammed, you tell me with this sign means what?
And this is greater sign.
And then this sign is what?
Lesser.
Jignesh, he told this is less greater, this is lesser.
Yes. And third is equal to.
Third is equal to. Children, whenever this is closer this side, this is lesser sign. Right? This is lesser sign, this is greater sign. Crocodile उसी चीज को खाता है जो बड़ी होगी. So उसका माउथ उसी के ऊपर ओपन हो रहा है इस साइड. जहां ये कॉर्नर आपको मिल रहा है towards your left hand side. So this is the lesser sign. This is greater sign and this is equal to sign. For example, if I will write one number, children, please start writing you also in your notebook. 6754 and the another is 7671. तो हम compare कैसे करते हैं? First we give them the places. इसमें भी हमने places दे दी 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. तो ये भी 1000 तक है, ये भी 1000 तक है. इसमें भी 4 digits हैं, इसमें भी 4 digits हैं. Now we compare the first here. 1000 place compare करते हैं. Vedi, yes.
Your board is not. I can't see your board.
Now check.
No, I can only see 7006.
Now check. Wait a minute.
Yes, now it's clear.
Ma'am, it's clear.
6754. So here are also 4 digits. Here are also 4 digits. Here is 6 at the 1000 place. Here is 7 at the 1000 place. Which one is greater? Which is greater?
7,671.
7,671.
This is greater.
7671.
So how you will read the 7671 is greater. Now, when we read this complete sentence, now how you will read? मैंने ये बताया ये sign जो जहां पर बंद का आता है left side में, तो it is lesser than. So how you will read this sentence?
754.
6,754 is less than 7,671.
671.
अगर हम इसको फिर उल्टा यहां से पढ़ते हैं, so 7,671 is greater than the 6,741. पर हम पढ़ेंगे तो यहीं से ही स्टार्टिंग से. That is why ये साइन lesser than का साइन है. 6,754 is less than 7,671.
Okay.
Okay. Now B is 7890. Tell me which one is greater.
Ma'am, 7,890 is greater.
My dear children, I'm really shocked. Out of 21 students, only I can see one child is active in the class in all the criterias. What about you all? And this is
7,890.
yes, this is ones, tens, 100, only till 100. So it is ones, tens, 100,000. So 7,890 is the greater. So we read it as 7,809 is, 789 is less than 7,890. Clear?
Yes.
Now write the question number 4. Right.
Ma'am, can I take another page? My only
Yes,
two
yes.
lines are left.
Use another page. Write the successor of 699 का successor लिखो कितना होता है. And the question 5 is write the predecessor of spelling.
Ma'am, I can see after now I can.
Write the predecessor of 500. So learn the spellings of these terms. SUSSESSOR successor. Please mute your mics. PREDECESSOR predecessor. Write the learn the spellings of these two terms. I will ask in the next class. Please sure to attach your work today in the assignments. Make sure everyone attach their work. And now tell me, what is the successor of 699? Give me answer.
700.
No, Jignesh will not give. Another child.
700.
Ma'am, I say
700 plus 1. When you do, you will get the successor. Write the predecessor of 500. I don't want from Jignesh. Another child.
ma'am, I say
Yes, Pritika.
93.
Pritika.
490.
400.
ma'am 499.
499. Clear. Excellent to you all. Thank you, children, for today's class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.